Today I'm going to show you how to make a floral style maternity tutu. I started with this basic bra that I got on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description box so that you can get one for yourself. And then I purchased a bunch of flowers from my local craft store and I just popped the heads off. Once I've got the heads all popped off, then I'm just going to separate these into two so that I can have symmetric sides. So I like both sides to look the same, so I'm just sorting out the flowers to make sure that I have enough for each cup. You want to do a quick dance of joy, and then you're going to start to take the flowers apart piece by piece. I start by cutting off the stem, but when you cut off the stem, this is what holds the whole flower together, all the petals together. So I like to go in with a little dab of glue on each layer, and that's going to hold my flower together so that the whole thing doesn't fall apart. So I'm just going to go layer by layer, adding a little bit of glue. After I've put my layers together, then I'm just going to attach the flower to the bra using hot glue. Once you have all the flowers on, your bra should look something like this, and I'm just going to add in some leaves and you'll see the difference that makes. And that makes it look really natural and pretty, just like this. Now that my top is done, I'm going to move on to the tutu, and you guys have seen me make tutus so many times before. Maybe we'll do another tutorial in an upcoming video, but I've got my tool cut, and then I just scrunch the ends together just like this using a basting stitch or the widest stitch I have on my sewing machine, and then just scrunching the pieces together. And then I attach those pieces to a ribbon using my sewing machine. Now, just like I attached the flowers to the bra, I'm going to attach them to my tutu. And surprise, now my mannequin has a baby bump, and I got this baby bump from Sebastral Ink. Check the description box of this video for the link to how you can get yours. It was white, but I wanted it to match my mannequin, so I just covered it in this black fabric. And here is the final look. Let me know if you made this tutu. Send me a pic on Instagram or Facebook, and I would love to share it. See you in the next video. Bye.